Alright, so this here is our AM radio receiver. So I'll briefly explain some of the parts in here. Starting over on the left side here, we have our LC tank, which acts as a resonator. And then going on to here, we have a diode to rectify the signal. Then we have a high-pass filter right in there.
Low pass, isn't it?
Or sorry, low pass. Low pass filter, definitely low pass filter. Going on, we have our non-inverting amplifier with a gain of 20.
Something like that.
Around 20.
Maybe a factor of 10.
Yeah, something on the magnitude or magnitude 10. And then we have capacitor, and past that it goes out to our headphone output. And also on our circuit, we have connected an Arduino Uno, which is controlling, in a way, this bank of capacitors here. And what this bank of capacitor acts to do is tune the AM receiver. So what we have our Arduino doing is, once the signal drops below a certain threshold of loudness, it will cycle through these capacitors and choose which provides the loudest signal. So starting with this 10 picofarad capacitor here, we'll continually try different combinations. So first we'll try 10, then we'll try 10 plus 15, or 10 plus 12, 10 plus 12 plus 15, etc. And on up to, we have about 68 here, so it gives us a total of something probably on the order of 200. And then we're reading in our output from our circuit right before it goes to the headphones, and we're using that as the input to the Arduino so they can measure what the current loudness of the signal coming in is. And that is basically it. So let's try to do a little demonstration with the noise. We'll put the earbud up to the phone, see if we can get at least a little bit of something. So you can hear right now, you can hear a clicking noise, and that's the sound the Arduino is making each time it switches between a choice of capacitors. And it will make that clicking noise every time it's cycling through capacitors, trying to find a stronger signal. So if we move closer to the actual transmitter, we should be able to pick up some music. And we lost a lot of cell phone noise. It's kind of unavoidable. So let's see, can you hear any music from the... Can you hear music from the earphone?
Hold up a little more.
So you can? Okay, so now you should be hearing some music. It should be probably currently clicking through capacitors, trying to find what capacitor combination gives the loudest signal. And then eventually it will sit on the signal which is given the loudest. So, it will set the Arduino to the capacitor combination which gives the loudest signal. And because